Belfast, the vibrant capital of Northern Ireland, is a city steeped in history and culture, offering a diverse range of activities and attractions that cater to every traveler's interests. Nestled amid stunning landscapes and surrounded by a rich tapestry of stories, Belfast has emerged from its tumultuous past to become a thriving and welcoming destination. Here, you'll find a plethora of things to do and explore, making it an enticing stop for both history buffs and modern-day adventurers. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Titanic Belfast Museum, a state-of-the-art attraction that tells the story of the ill-fated RMS Titanic. Set on the very spot where the ship was built, this interactive museum offers a fascinating glimpse into Belfast's shipbuilding legacy and the tragic voyage of the Titanic. For those interested in history, a visit to the Crumlin Road Jail is a must. This historic Victorian-era prison has been transformed into a captivating visitor experience, offering guided tours that delve into the city's turbulent past, including its role during the Troubles. Belfast is also known for its stunning architecture, and a stroll through the city centre will reveal grand Victorian and Edwardian buildings, juxtaposed with modern structures like Victoria Square, home to an array of shops, restaurants, and the iconic glass-domed viewing platform providing panoramic views of the city. If you're a lover of the arts, the Ulster Museum and the Ulster Hall are worth exploring, showcasing a diverse range of exhibits, from ancient artifacts to contemporary art installations and live music performances. The city also boasts a thriving street art scene, with murals depicting Belfast's history and culture scattered throughout the neighborhoods. For those seeking a natural escape, the nearby Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is just a short drive away. This geological wonder is famous for its hexagonal basalt columns and breathtaking coastal scenery. The Causeway Coastal Route, one of the world's most scenic drives, takes you through picturesque villages, rugged cliffs, and the iconic Carrick-a-Reid Rope Bridge. Belfast is also a food lover's paradise, with a burgeoning culinary scene that combines traditional Irish flavors with modern twists. Be sure to try some hearty Irish stew, seafood chowder, and a pint of the famous Guinness in one of the city's cozy pubs. If you're looking for a dose of culture, the Grand Opera House and the Lyric Theatre host a wide range of theatrical performances, from classic plays to contemporary productions. And don't miss out on the vibrant nightlife. Belfast offers a lively assortment of pubs, clubs, and live music venues where you can dance the night away to traditional Irish tunes or modern beats. In conclusion, Belfast is a city of contrasts, where history meets innovation, and natural beauty intertwines with urban sophistication. Whether you're exploring its historical sites, indulging in its culinary delights, or soaking up its cultural offerings, Belfast offers a rich and rewarding experience for every type of traveler. It's a city that showcases the resilience and transformation of Northern Ireland, inviting you to uncover its secrets and embrace its vibrant spirit.